here, and just got down for the pre-series soft baiting comp. It's Thursday afternoon, just going to go out, see if I can grab some dinner, have a little bit of a look around, see what we can hook up to, and check things out. Then tomorrow be out, do a bit more investigating, and see where all the fish are hiding. Quite a lot of guys down here already. Some have been down here since earlier this morning. Some have been out, caught some fish. So just having a paddle out, go and have a look around. Weather's absolutely beautiful. Hardly any wind around. And just this far off the beach, probably 3.6 metres of water. So bit of a paddle. Got to save the Bixby power and see what we can hook into. So hopefully I'll bring you some action shortly. What channel are you on? Hey? Got something. Not really pulling. A little bit. Here he comes. Now he's waking up. Oh, just woke up. Kahawai, I think. Come on. All right. Nice Kahawai on Caveman Gold Rush. Put my glove on yet. This fella's slippery. Oh no, it's only 45. 45 Kahawai, my PB's 53. But we got dinner. Just playing with it. Oh, yeah, that's the one I got. Alright. Come here, buddy. Oh, now he's decided to fight. All right, oh, it's a nice heavy one. Good morning. It's Probably about 7 o'clock. Yeah, just gone 7 o'clock, and just down here at Maraehako, wherever you pronounce it. And it's Friday, so tomorrow's comp day. Just getting out and having a look for some good hunting grounds. So go for a bit of a paddle, head west today. Been a little bit east yesterday. So I'll go and have a look down further and see what's around. So hopefully I'll bring you some good action coming up. Stick around, see what happens. Alright, so I got something small on. I'm going to wake up pretty soon. No, it's only small. Small snapper, I think. Oh, no, Kahawai. And he just got off, so that was on this. I've just had this trolling along behind. This is one I got from Japan, so it splashes in there, but it's the second time I haven't kept one on, so not sure if the triples are going to work on Kahawai. Big on here. Big peel and drag. Oh, I love that sound. It's a new Stella. Right, fight this bugger. Get him back. Make sure I don't get towed into those rocks. That's a good fish. Come on. Woohoo! Coming away from the rocks. Oh, saw it. That's a nice snapper. Oh yeah. So it's on a low bite orange widownoter. Oh, I'm really happy with that. Nice one. Oh, what do you think about taking off? That may, I didn't bring my measure board, that may be the biggest fish I've caught, snapper I've caught. Look at that, mate. I don't know how he has not died. Let's do a measure on this fella. That would be 58. So yeah, that's my PB snapper. So yesterday I got a PB Kahawai, 55. This is a PB snapper at 58. I am stoked. Alright, got Kahawai on. Let's see if he can stay on this time. Oh, looks like he's a decent size. There we go. Oh, Rat King. Come here. Oh no, Kahawai. Woo! Alright. Another decent Kahawai. Alright, so I got this fella on this jig. So anyway, I need to dispatch him. Make sure I don't get these triples caught in me, but he's a decent Kahawai. I'll get my measure and let you know. Centimeters. About 51. Hmm? 51. Lure. Plastic lure. It's caught up in here. Yeah, just a bib lure I've just had hanging out the back. I was chasing a work up before, but they were just too fast for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the birds and stuff were in front of me, and I was paddling as hard as I could, but just couldn't get them. Got a 59 snapper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
And this baby here. I've caught a few smaller ones.
Yeah. Oh, right.
That was actually just in here. So I've been all around the place. I've been about 8 Ks. The 2 keepers have been here. Oops. Paddle. I think I have one smaller than that. I think I have one smaller than that one. Oh, fuck, they're on again. Oh, what the hell's this one? What's this? Blue. Is there a size on those?
Okay.
Is there a size on them?
No.
Worth eating? Are they a keeper? Ah, put up on triples. I'm in trouble here. Go under there. Oh, shit. Alright, little fishy. Today's your lucky day. I don't know whether you're worth eating, and you're pretty small. I don't know how big you grow. You've got a triple. Right, you're going to end up with a sore mouth, but I'm going to go back. Yep, you swim away. Funny, sometimes you go on the rocks and you wish you could get out further. Other times you get on a kayak and you want to get close to the rocks. They're on. Don't think it's big. That's a little snapper. Oh, baby snapper. Could you have that squidinator? Come here. He's so small, it's actually gone right through and out the bottom of his jaw. Gills. Open it. Oop. Come in. Nope. Smallest fish prize goes to me. I don't know how big that is. 20, 22. Swims away happy.
And for me that's quite a special thing. You don't see that in a lot of New Zealand. So in the fishing here can be really good at times, but it's been bloody hard the last couple of days, isn't it? So hopefully it fires tomorrow for everyone and we'll have a good time on the water. But we're all the same. So we're kicking off the launch in the morning at 6:30. It's going to be a shotgun start on the beach. So yeah, follow the guys that think they've got a good game plan. We haven't worked one out already. Yeah, Wayne's smiling. He's been here quite a bit lately, and there are some local guys like Liam and that, and Skippy and that. They kind of they know the spots a lot more than me. So, and I'll be flying the drone to get some pics in the morning. So I'll be last on the water, so you won't really see me. Yeah. And the plan is I'll be off the water probably about 2 or 3 o'clock. Come back, get things set up, and then if people are early and they've got some fish that they want to show me the footage of, we'll start getting it on the board. And you've got to be off the water by 5 o'clock, and the end of the kind of queue time is 6 o'clock for having you showing your footage. So people are going to do a big day. Yes. Yeah. And Glenn, one of the managers here, looks after the campground, and they're showing us the good manaki tanga, like hospitality. He's mentioned that the locals here, if you've got any fish heads or fish you don't want, even the kahawai, that they'd really appreciate it. So again, we're kind of garden gill or whatever, any of the fish tomorrow that you don't want, so it gets passed around the local families.
Get ready to go. Get ready to go. Get ready to go.
Good morning and welcome to Three Species. Everybody's assembled. About 5 minutes till we launch. Nice calm day. Just that little wave coming in. We'll see how people navigate that one. And cold feet. Oh, somebody's already up there. I'll make you famous.
First catch, on the shark.
So where were those crabs, Bundy? He's ignoring. Where were those crabs? Awesome sight. What, guys?
Qualification of the three species.
Alright, so we're launched. Alright, starting to get a few little nibbles here. Only pretty small though. Right, what we're on. First fish. Pretty small. Size snapper. Good buddy. Oh, that's really high. Sorry about that, buddy. That's a really good look at that. Okay. Alright, first fish. Okay. Not even worth measuring. But on a low bite dragster, which is just pushed up the line. They're unique sinkers or jig heads. There's the weight underneath. Floundery type fish on it. Orange gets their attention, so let's fish around. So fish here for a bit longer. Find mum or dad. Catch this footage of this bird flying really close to me. Comes. Hey, come in for a look. Something around there that override. The bottom. This hiding much. Fish number 2. Just over 3 hours. That's not a comp winner. And we got off. Well, there we go. Little blowbite mantis, I think it's called. Little one of the mighty micro range. And there was my first snapper, but he pulled out, so I should have used the net. So anyway, first time using it. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you about these yet, but first fish. Just a little handy snapper. Alright, we're on again. Little snapper. A little one in this tiny bay. So let's swim away and fight another day.